From bustling Kathmandu to Nuwakot's serene, a journey unfolds, a contrast so clear. Living behind the city's chaotic rhyme, we seek the peace in hills we hold dear. In Kathmandu Valley, a tale unfolds. A landscape of wonders, of stories untold. The honking horns fade, the dust settles down, as hills rise before us, majestic and brown. Through winding trails, we wander and run, in search of waterfalls, our hearts to comb. Their beauty cascades, a symphony so sweet. In the journey of peace, our souls find retreat. With every gushing fall and rustling leaf, our spirits are lifted beyond belief. In Nuwakot's hills, a sanctuary is found, where peace and waterfalls forever abound. This journey of rhyme, a harmonious chime, in the lap of nature, we find our prime.